Look at these amazing shots I captured in stunning detail. You might assume they were taken with the incredible Nikon Z8, but surprisingly, they were not. The camera behind these lovely scenes is a much modest device, the Nikon P1000. Let's take a closer look and then dive into the unboxing of the fabulous Nikon Z8. This one, I've been researching this incredible camera for almost a year, and now I'm thrilled to finally hold it in my hands. But before we dive into the unboxing, I would like to share that I was initially a Canon fan before I fell in love with Nikon, or as Americans pronounce it, Nikon, after experiencing the remarkable Coolpix P1000, which ultimately led me to sell my Canon 8D to purchase the P1000. From this beautiful butterfly to this insidious look, for wildlife photography, capturing this powerful look. It revolutionizes zoom photography with its incredible 125x optical zoom. You can capture a distant subject with stunning clarity. Say goodbye to expensive telephoto lens. The P1000 makes zoom photography more accessible than ever. I mean, seriously, look at this moon. Let me be silent for a second. Just look. As sunset unfolds, the sky transforms into a kaleidoscope of warm hues, painting a breathtaking canvas of nature's beauty with Nikon. This is what your eyes can see in this dark room. And this is what Nikon Z8 can record. I understand that P1000 belongs to a completely different class of cameras, but it is exceptionally unique. It boasts the highest optical zoom ever achieved in commercial bridge cameras. You will not find any other camera that offers this level of power. While this sensor is undoubtedly smaller than those found in DSLRs, bear in mind that this engineered size is what enables the phenomenal zoom capabilities of P1000. It's a beast and I love it. Good on ya, Nikon. Now let's start the unboxing. Although the camera is very expensive, I saved over $700 by purchasing it from overseas, while Australian retailers were discounting the original price of almost $8,500 to $7,025. I bought it for much less, as you can see here. Wow! After a year of research, I've decided to purchase the Nikon Z8. It's a baby flagship model and it's truly a remarkable camera. It's a monster actually. In the world of photography, innovation knows no bounds. Nikon's latest masterpiece, the Z8, is a testament to this pursuit of excellence. This mirrorless marvel boasts an array of astonishing specifications that will leave photographers and videographers alike in awe. At the heart of the Z8 lies a full-frame CMOS sensor, packing an impressive 45.7 megapixels. This sensor's exceptional resolution and dynamic range enable the capture of intricate details, from the subtlest textures to the most vibrant colors. The Z8's processing power is nothing short of phenomenal. Powered by Nikon's X-Speed 7 image processing engine, this camera can shoot bursts of up to 20 frames per second in continuous shooting mode and over 100 pictures per second in smaller JPEG, which is a new record. Whether you are capturing high-speed sports or fleeting wildlife moments, the Z8's incredible speed ensures you will never miss a shot. Nikon's advanced autofocus system, featuring 493 focus points, delivers unparalleled precision and speed. With the Z8, you can enjoy enhanced subject detection and tracking, improved low-light autofocus performance both in still and video, seamless transitions between focus points, And bear in mind, the Z8 is not just a still camera, it's also a powerful video production tool for cinematic capabilities. With the ability to record 8K video at 60 frames per second in RAW and 4K at 120 frames per second, you can create stunning high-resolution footage that rivals the best in the industry. Built to withstand the demands of professional photography, the Z8 features a rugged, weather-sealed design that protects against dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. The ergonomic grip and intuitive controls ensure comfortable handling, even during extended shooting sessions. The Nikon Z8 is a technological tour de force, offering an unbeatable combination of image quality, speed, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring photographer, this camera is sure to unlock new creative possibilities and take your photography to unprecedented heights. This is how obsessive I am about my Z8. Humanity has spent thousands of years developing this level of technology, and I must take care of this remarkable piece of engineering by protecting it from even the smallest scratches. Say goodbye to SD cards, even the fastest varieties, as we now require cfExpress cards for recording 8K RAW files, pro cameras, pro accessories. Thanks for watching to this very moment, and see you around.